Welcome to this core video where we're gonna see the tool creator. So let's go to MeliScore, Tools, Tool Creator. Here is the Tool Creator module. I can type in the name of my tool and I can select the type of tool. So database tool, which will get some tables of the database that we can select. I can do iframe tool, so here I just input the URL which will be loaded inside the tool. So I will have my tool. When I click on it, it will load the URL that I input. And I can have a blank tool, so just a tool with nothing inside. In this case, we're going to use the database tool and the edition type. So here I can select if when I click to add an entry, I will have a modal that is going to display, or tabulation. Tabulation will open another tab inside the module to edit the second table, the text. Create a tool with a third-party framework. This, if we want, we can create a tool with Laravel, Symfony, and Lumen. In this case, I'm not going to do it. I'm going to select Modal, Database, and Next. Here the text. So I have my tool title and the description of the tool. I can also input the text in French. So English will be for those who have the back office in English, and French will be for those who have the back office in French. If I want to add more languages, it's possible inside System Configuration, Back Office Languages. So here I input just in English for this example. Then the database, I will select here the table that I want to use. So in this case, I'm going to use MeliCMS News. And here we go, I get all of the details of my table. And then if I want, I can integrate a secondary table so to manage the contents by language. And in this case, I'm going to add MeliCMS News text. Now I have to select the foreign key of each table. So for the first table, the main one, and the secondary table, and click on Next. In this section, we have to select the columns we want to display in the list of the tool. So I'm going to unselect everything for now, and I'm going to select. So what do I want to display in the list of the tool? I want to display the news ID, and with the row value, so it will be 1, 2, 3, etc. The news status, and there I want to display it as a color. A dot, but it would be red for inactive, green for active. And then I'm going to select the title to be displayed, and that's it, just as a raw value and so. In this section, we are going to select the fields that can be edited. So some of them are already mandatory, like the status will have to be there. Image 1 I can, editable, and I'm going to select the file upload, so I will have a button displayed in order to upload the file. I'm going to skip most of it, I'm just going to go to the main ones, the title, which I'm going to make mandatory, classic input, the subtitle, not mandatory but editable, classic input, and the paragraph 1, which is TinyMCE to edit HTML. And here I can name all of my fields. So I'm going to name all of the fields that I selected. And now I typed it all. I could also do the French version for each one of them, for those who have the back office in French. But I'm just going to do the English one for this one. And next. So here is the summary. I have all of the details of everything that I did until now. So the tool title, description, what I did in English. In French I didn't put anything. Database, what are the tables that I selected. List and column, so here are the columns that will be displayed in the list of the tool. Edition fields, so the fields that I will be able to edit and those that are mandatory. Column translation, so all of the name and description of the fields that will be in the tool. So far I did just English. If I did French, it would be below, and that's it. Next. And then to finalize, here activate the tool after creation, yes, and just finish and create the tool. And now the platform is reloaded, and so I can see a new section here, custom project, and if I extend I can see I can find my tool, and if I click on it I have all of the details of my tool, so the ID, the status, and the title that I define for the column to be displayed in the list of the tool, title of my tool, the description. I have already data because I'm using the news table and there are already some news created, and here I can add that item, and I have the modal like I selected at the beginning. In the status I can upload a picture, put a date, some text, could edit a longer one. I can also make it in French. This is not for the back office, this will be for the front, because we have the page languages English and French activated in the back office. And here I save, and my entry is created.